But she is, isn't she? She's going with the drone. Where's the drone then?
She's sniffing it.
Well, the drone.
Yeah.
Maybe she thinks it's a bird.
Oh, could be, yeah.
That's really fucking cool, isn't it?